drowning in to-dos and feeling overwhelmed. Let's ditch the chaos and unlock the power of Trello, your new best friend for project management. First, head over to Trello.com and sign up for a free account. It only takes a few seconds. Once you're in, you'll see a board. Think of this as your main workspace for a project. Let's create a new board by clicking the plus sign in the upper right corner and naming it My First Project. Now, let's organize your board with lists. These represent different stages of your project. Click Add a List to Euro and type in To Do. Then hit Enter. Do the same for Doing and Done. Time to add tasks. In the to-do list, click Add a Card to Euro and type in a task, like brainstorm ideas. Then hit Enter. You can add as many cards as you need. The magic happens when you start moving cards. Simply click and drag a card from To Do to Doing when you start working on it, and then to Done when it's finished. Let's dive deeper into a card. Click on a card to open it. Here, you can add a description with more details, set a due date to stay on track, and even attach files. Trello is great for teams. You can assign cards to different team members by clicking on the Members section and selecting their names. Color-coded labels help you categorize your tasks. Click on Labels and assign colors to different categories, like urgent or marketing. And that's it. You've mastered the basics of Trello. Now you can manage your projects with ease, stay organized, and finally conquer that to-do list.